All right, we've got the MDX 650P hooked up at the battery and I've jumped inside the vehicle. Let's go ahead and see if we can initiate a test. Yes, we are in vehicle. It is a top post battery, a traditional automotive flooded battery. It is rated in the CCAs and 600 is the value. We're completing the battery test and the decision comes up, good battery, 12.80 volts, 523 CCAs. I'm going to hit the prompt that says to start the engine. We measured 11.42 as the average starting voltage during the crank process, and the crank time is 1.29 seconds. Going to hit enter, checking for alternator output. Rev the engine with the loads off. This means bring the engine up to about 1500 or 2000 RPM and hold the RPM. Engine rev detected, idle engine. Drop it back to idle, hit next. Testing alternator at idle with the loads off. Now it's asking for turning the high beams on. I'm going to put my left foot on the brake pedal, blower motor on high and rear defroster on. Now I'm going to hit enter. Testing alternator with the loads on. Now bring the RPM back up to 1500 or 2000, hold it. Rev detected, idle engine. Hit enter. Instructions, turn everything off. The test is already done. Charging system reports no problem. No load voltage was 14.33. Loaded voltage was 14.28. There's the good battery result. There's a cranking test, the result is normal. The charging system is normal. This vehicle is ready to go back on the road, but let's print out a copy of this test result so we can share it with our customer, complete our billing process, and go on to the next job. The printed result is exactly what you saw on the screen. You can put your dealership or site name in the top of the tool. The battery test was good. There's the values. Regular flooded battery, in vehicle top post. Cranking system normal, charging system no problems. We've just completed doing a full system test with the MDX 650P. We've been able to document that the battery, starter, and alternator are all functioning as expected. No problems with this vehicle. We've been able to print out a copy of the results that we can share with our customer. This car is good to go. Let's put it back on the street and make room for the next job in the shop.